everyone! Today we're joining Anna and Ben on a fun trip to the market, full of laughter and funny moments. From fresh, delicious fruits and vegetables to tasty street food, everything makes them smile and giggle. If you enjoy these cute and hilarious moments, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. And hit the bell so you won't miss any upcoming videos.
Wow, the market is so crowded today. Look at everyone. People lining up for fruits, vegetables, pastries. It's so lively.
I know, right? It feels like the whole city decided to shop at the same time. Look at those kids running around, the elderly bargaining over potatoes, and the fish sellers shouting at the top of their lungs.
The colors are amazing. Oranges, reds, yellows, greens. Everything looks like a living painting.
And the smells. Oh, my stomach is already dancing. Freshly baked bread, roasted corn, baked sweet potatoes. Just breathing in makes me want to eat everything.
Your precious stomach again. It always speaks before you do.
But it's true. Today is such a lively day, you can't ignore the market's aromas.
Look at those apples. So red, shiny, and juicy.
Let me try one. Wow, it's so sweet. The juice is like it's dancing in my mouth.
Let me try. Oh, wow, that crunch should be illegal.
Maybe a little exaggerated, but yes, it's crunchy and perfect.
If I eat a few more, my stomach will probably start dancing too.
Then let's exercise by trying all the fruits here.
Look at these cucumbers. I'll take a few for a salad tonight.
Salad? Finally, something healthy for once.
Are you saying I usually cook unhealthy food?
No. I just remember your triple butter garlic bread from last week.
That's your favorite.
True. I have to admit it's irresistible.
But today's salad will be amazing with cherry tomatoes and fresh lettuce, so fresh it might overpower the corn aroma.
Hey, Anna, try these cherry tomatoes. Look at the red color.
Sure. Sweet, like tiny candies. I've never had tomatoes this good.
Organic? Tastes like sunshine in my mouth.
Even vegetables can be poetic. Who knew a tomato could inspire poetry?
Absolutely. Freshness like this makes me want to sing a morning sun song.
Then sing. Let everyone at the market see how happy we are with these veggies.
Anna, look, these eggplants are huge, like weapons.
Oh my gosh, stop waving them. People are staring.
I'm just testing their balance. I want to see if they can stand upright.
Put them down before someone thinks you're starting an eggplant duel.
I promise, I'm just testing. But if anyone wants to join, I'm ready.
Only you could think vegetables are battle tools. Wow, the spices smell incredible. Chili, pepper, turmeric, all blending together.
Yeah. Oh, no.
Don't.
Achoo!
Bless you!
I think my nose just rebooted my brain. Feels like a fresh breeze blew through my head.
A little spice kick makes you happy.
Every peppercorn feels like it's dancing on my nose. Grilled corn. Let me try. Bites. Wow, so good. Smoky, buttery, perfect. Excited laugh.
Let me try. Bites. Oh, wow. Soft, buttery, smoky. Happiness in my mouth.
And dumplings too. My legs are walking themselves toward them.
Delicious, soft, juicy, full of flavor.
Today is truly perfect for eating without a single worry. Anna, did you hear? Last week, a customer ate 50 dumplings in one sitting. I can't even imagine that.
50? That's incredible. I thought it was just one of those exaggerated stories vendors tell to impress customers.
Legendary! Imagine finishing that many dumplings and still asking for dessert.
Don't get ideas, Ben. You'd probably need a forklift to carry your stomach home.
Too late. Just looking at them makes me hungry again. My stomach is already doing a little dance.
Next time, we should do some stretching or exercise before visiting the market. Maybe warm up those taste buds and muscles.
Or maybe I'll just bring an extra stomach and a gym membership card.
Look at these sunflowers. They're so bright, cheerful, and they really lift your mood just looking at them.
They're smiling at us. It's like they know we've been having fun all day.
I'll get a bunch for the kitchen. Imagine the light reflecting off the petals in the morning.
And while you pick flowers, I'll grab some bread too. I can already smell the happiness coming from those freshly baked loaves.
One baguette, please. Still warm and fragrant. Perfect for breakfast tomorrow.
Perfect. The smell alone makes my stomach happy. Can you imagine pairing it with butter and jam? I think my taste buds just danced.
You're impossible. But okay, this will be a perfect little reward for today's market adventure. Okay, let's see. We have fruits, vegetables, spices, flowers. Did we forget anything?
Oh, don't forget the snacks, the essential emotional support snacks.
Right, your special snacks that somehow make every shopping trip happier.
Exactly. Today was fun. Look at all this colorful food, and we barely scratched the surface.
It really was. And the market isn't just about buying things. It's the laughter, the smells, and the little surprises along the way.
I swear my stomach is still planning a party just from today's adventure.
The bread is still warm and fragrant. You can see the steam rising from the baguettes.
I could eat it right now. The smell alone is making my mouth water.
One bite. Soft, crispy, perfectly golden on the outside and fluffy inside. Absolute perfection.
And the buttery aroma? Oh, yes. Heavenly. It's like a hug for your senses.
We should take one home before someone else grabs it.
Agreed. Maybe we'll even do a mini taste test for each type, professional snack reviewers style.
Anna, imagine a challenge. Who can eat more cucumbers without stopping?
You would probably make your stomach revolt in public and everyone would stare.
I dare you to. I'm ready for this epic showdown.
Watch out! Last time you said, just a little taste, and somehow ended up eating almost everything in sight.
That was strategy. I call it the innocent first bite approach.
Oh, we need rules this time, or the market might ban us from the cucumber stall.
Deal. But let's be honest, a little friendly competition makes shopping way more fun.
Remember last time? You finished the whole bag of cookies before I could even have one.
Today, I promise I'll share. Maybe.
Just don't eat the world again. And this time, save some for me.
All right. I'll behave. Mostly. But seeing cookies always awakens my inner cookie monster.
I guess that's why I have to keep an eye on you every trip.
Consider it part of the adventure. The Watch the Cookie Thief challenge.
Should we add more pepper or chili to make the dish exciting?
Just a little. Don't make it too spicy or we'll be crying over our lunch.
I like the nose-burning feeling when I eat. Makes me feel alive.
Okay, let me try first. Let's see if your adventurous taste buds can handle it.
I accept all culinary challenges, even the ones that might set off tiny fire alarms in my mouth.
This is why cooking with you is never boring. Our bags are so heavy. Let's walk slowly, step by step.
Each step feels like carrying the entire market. My arms are working overtime.
Next week, we should plan a strategy. Maybe one bag per person, not the entire market each.
Absolutely. Or maybe I'll bring a spare stomach just in case.
Oh no, not the extra stomach again.
Hey, it's for emergencies or spontaneous snack attacks.
Today was so much fun. I learned new words, tasted delicious food, and laughed until my cheeks hurt.
Right? The market isn't just for shopping, it's a place full of laughter, surprises, and tiny adventures.
I can't wait to come back next week.
Definitely. And this time, I'll bring my backup stomach to handle even more snacks.
You and your backup stomach. I swear, one day it will have its own seat at the market.
That's true. But until then, we have memories, laughter, and full bellies. Perfect ending to a perfect day.
Wow, what a fun day at the market with Anna and Ben. We laughed, tried so many delicious foods, and discovered colorful fruits, vegetables, and flowers. If you enjoyed joining us on this adventure, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share your favorite part in the comments, too. We'd love to hear from you. See you next time for more fun, laughter, and tasty adventures. Bye!